Friends, welcome back to the fifth session and the last session for December 2021 guidance. Friends, if you'll ask me, sir, what are you actually going to guide in this session? What is the objective? Like in first session, the objective was very clear that how one should do planning. Second session, how one should plan 3 hours of exam. Third session, how one should plan revision. Fourth session, we have very clearly discussed the post-mortem and analysis part. What is going to be there in fifth one? The fifth session actually relates to the importance. And when I say importance means, are you talking about the importance of each topic? No, friends. Are you talking about the importance of writing paper? No, friends. I'm talking about the importance of theory in practical subject or importance of practical in theory subject. Yes, friends. That's very, very important. I'll tell you. You know, many of the students are of the opinion that taxation is a theoretical subject. Many students are of the opinion law is a theoretical subject. Audit is a theoretical subject. Many students are firmly believing that costing is a practical subject. Finance is a practical subject. Accounts, FR is a practical subject. Friends, yes, you are right. Technically, you are right. But when you go to the ground level, the reality is bit different. I'm not saying 100% different. I'm just saying bit different. I'll give you an understanding. If you talk about CA final, we have a subject called SCMP, which is nothing but a costing. Full form is whatever it is, but let's not go into that. It is costing. Now, costing is a practical subject. So all the students will go through all the possible type of sums. And the day before exam, he will only revise the sums, different type of sums. Now the fact is, if you go on last 3 papers, then the importance of theory is much more. Almost 50 to 60 marks is practically devoted to the theory part rather than sums. More than that, I would say, practically devoted to the theory part. Either direct theory questions or case study based questions. But rather than calculating sum, one has to write more theory. So the importance of theory is much more in the subject like SCMP. In fact, SFM. In each paper, if you count last 3 papers or last 4 papers or last 5 papers, almost 20 to 30 marks of theory. And you can't ignore that. Why you can't ignore? Because the way ACCA asks is, in each question, they have put the theory question as sub-question. So if I say they are asking 25 marks of theory, so that does not mean that they are actually asking 25 marks theory questions separately, which can go in option. You know, a lot of students try कि इसको option में निकाल देते हैं. Now, practically it won't work. Because what happens is, they are asking theory question as sub-question in each question. So every question D or every question E relates to theory. So now the point is, if you ignore this theory, so in every main question, let's say question 2D is theory, question 3D is theory, question 4E is theory. So now what will happen is, if you are attending question 2, then in that case you are bound to attend D. If you are attending question 3, you are bound to attend D. If you are attending question 4, you are bound to attend E. So basically, you are bound to attend theory, and if you ignore theory, you know what you will do. So same is a matter with a lot of theory subject. Audit is theory, law is theory, taxation is theory. But when you actually go in the exam, so what we will find is practical questions which are based on theory. Practical, those sums are not there, but practical analysis, case study based questions which are based on theory, but you have to apply practical knowledge to solve that. So the point is, you can't ignore the importance of theory in practical subjects, and you can't ignore the importance of practical in theory subjects. Friends, please make sure that you go through the theory and practical both in each subject. And one more thing, which I'll tell you, one more thing, and that is equal importance, is you need to understand the paper pattern. Yes, friends. And for that, I'm sure that you would have referred RTPs, MTPs and past papers. So what will happen is, nowadays we have seen that rather than asking a question from individual chapter, they try and merge 3-4 chapters. For example, my subject is IDT, so I'll give you an idea. They won't ask a separate question of input tax credit. You know, my subject is GST, so they will not ask you a separate question of GST. or GST, I would say input tax credit specific topic. Or let's say they won't ask a separate question of value of supply or place of supply or exemption or maybe any other topic. What they do is they create a combined question merging all this topic. एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा जिसमें 10 डिटेल दी जाएगी, जिसमें से कुछ एग्जाम्प्ट होगा, कुछ टैक्सेबल होगा. जो टैक्सेबल होगा उसका वैल्यूएशन पार्ट इन्वॉल्व होगा और सामने परचेजेस इनवर्ड की डिटेल दी होगी जो ये हेल्प करने में डिसाइड करेगा कि कितना आईटीसी मिलेगा या कितना नहीं मिलेगा. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ दैट तुम्हें ये पूछा जाएगा कि कितना अमाउंट कैश में पेएबल है और प्रोबेबली उसमें कहीं पे कुछ रिफंड का भी डिटेल्स दे सकते हैं. सो दे गो फॉर अ मर्ज क्वेश्चन, दे गो फॉर कंबाइंड क्वेश्चन. एंड अगर आपने कंबाइंड क्वेश्चंस भले आपने प्रैक्टिकली हर एक टॉपिक कर लिया है, इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे हर एक टॉपिक कर लिया है, बट इफ यू हैव नॉट डन कंबाइंड क्वेश्चन, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर, आई एम डैम श्योर, इवन इफ यू आर डन विद इंडिविजुअल टॉपिक, यू मे नॉट बी एबल टू क्रैक द क्वेश्चंस इन एग्जाम. नाउ दिस इज अबाउट आईडीपी. इन ईच सब्जेक्ट कंबाइंड क्वेश्चंस आर नाउ कमिंग, where they merge 3, 4, maybe 5 individual chapters or individual topics. They put all of them together and then they ask a larger question. Each question can maybe of 15 marks, 20 marks. And they merge a lot of topics into that. So start preparing. You know, someone would ask me, sir, where can I find these questions? RTPs, MTPs, past papers, even Navkar material. Now we have also given this kind of larger questions. So please, please, please go through that. And make sure you prepare according to the importance of theory, importance of practical, and importance of combined question. This will definitely improve your result by 5%. I'm damn sure about this because practical subject में theory करने से 5% मार्क ऊपर आएंगे, theory subject में practical करने से और 5% मार्क बढ़ने के चांसेस है. And combined question is the future. So अगर वो करोगे तो आपको definitely अपने एग्जाम में रिजल्ट मिलेगा. So I hope everybody has understood this. Friends, there are 5 steps which I have communicated. You follow each of them. Best wishes for December 2021 from entire team Navkar. Thank you. Thank you very much.
If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos and learn from our expert faculty members. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Download NDI mobile app to get complete CA course online. We value your support. Thank you for watching.